Just got back from Best Buy. I picked up some HDTV. I want to unbox it for you guys today. Okay, here we go. Okay, first I pulled out the back of the TV where it's supposed to hook into for the stand. We got some screws. And the TV is Samsung LED TV Series 5003. Has full HD 1080p, 120 megahertz bi-color enhancer plus, connect, share, and HDMI. Let's get on to it. Here's the stand. A metal bottom, little rubber thingy. Okay, we got the remote, some batteries, and the power cord. And we have TV. This is just all the manuals. Okay, here's the TV, 40 inches, pure HD. Goodness. Okay, let me set this aside and I'll show you when it's set up. Here you go, guys. It's a Samsung 40-inch LED HD TV. Like I said, it has 120 megahertz, full HD, 1080p, file share, and wide color enhancement. Okay, thank you guys for watching my unboxing of my Samsung 40-inch HD TV. Please subscribe and comment below. And this is Holding Wise signing off.